Hi there, and welcome to my next course, which is Linux, how to install Linux Mint. This is for beginners or for people that have used Linux before, but they haven't installed Linux before. So, um, if you don't know how to install Linux, or if you want to know how to install Linux, you're not sure, this course is for you. This course applies to installing Linux Mint on your physical machine, physical hard drive. Either on its own without any other operating systems or dual installation with Windows. But I'm going to use VirtualBox for this course, for this installation. I'm installing Linux Mint on VirtualBox, which is a virtual machine software. So the installation on virtual machine and on a physical machine is exactly the same from boot up stage, when you boot up the machine. From there, with the ISO image or the DVD, Linux installation DVD, the installation is exactly the same. Okay, you'll also see some explanation that I give for the people that have dual Windows installed already, that want to dual install Linux with Windows and dual boot Linux with Windows. So if you want a course on that, let me know. I can make a course on that, but this is not a course on that. This is just a course on installing Linux Mint and how to partition correctly. Alright, so yeah, this is to show you how to install Linux Mint. Then you can test Linux Mint and use it for whatever learning purposes. But yeah, so I hope this course is very useful to you, and let me know in the comments, in the messages, any of your opinions, comments, how you felt the course was. Did you enjoy the course? Any improvements that you think I can make to the course, and so on. So, but yeah, I hope you enjoy the course. I hope you find it very useful, and I will make a similar course with Ubuntu very soon. Alright, and yes, cool. See you in the course. Bye bye.